the fourth industrial revolution, critical thinking is one of the key skills required. Microlearning is a critical way to develop those thinking skills, both in the curation as well as in the learner experience. It's much harder to distill a lot of content into small bites in the key principles than it is to give long pieces of content. So in order to do bite-sized content, you need to be able to exercise those critical thinking muscles to be able to communicate clearly and concisely. There's a lot of misconceptions that microlearning can't be used for complicated content. I'd like to share and challenge that assumption. Microlearning can be used for all kinds of content, whether it's for onboarding, compliance, technical, soft skills training, leadership development, habit-forming things. The whole idea is to take whatever content you have and deliver it in simple ways to make it easy for your learner to understand and, most importantly, to retain and then to apply that content.